My name is Jonathan. I am a development engineer at Imperix, and today I would like to show you this system, which is based on the standard MMC bundle with a very small customization. The standard MMC bundle has two bbox4, which allows to control up to 24 submodules. Thanks to the addition of two optical expansions, all the submodules can be controlled in full bridge instead of only half bridge. We are here at the back of the cabinet where we see all the cabling and the wiring from the power side. What we can see also is these panels that have been implemented for the specific use case of our customer, where we see that it's possible to easily change from, for example, half bridge operation to full bridge operation. Thanks to this flexibility, it's also possible to implement any kind of topology, like, for example, cascaded 8 bridge.